Today I'm doing a quick recipe and easy. It's a little bacon. It's called rock buns, and there's nothing complicated about it. We got our flour, we got our coconut, and we got our sugar, baking powder, and nutmeg, salt, and cinnamon. So I'm going to add all of those to this bowl. As usual, you'll get all the measurements and cook like a Jamaican. Okay, and so I'm going to add the coconut, desiccated coconut. If you want to grate or blend your own coconut, you can do that. Baking powder. In this little bowl, I've got cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. So I'm adding all the dry ingredients. I've got a half a cup of raisins. And the sugar, brown sugar. What I know about rock buns, it's just a quick little bun that you drop on the baking sheet, so you make the dough a little bit stiff. They can't be too soft because you're just going to drop them, and it's supposed to sit there when you drop them. Okay, and very good to have it when it's hot with a nice long glass of lemonade or some long cold drink anyway. So now I've moved over to my mixing machine on the other side of the kitchen, and I'm going to add the wet ingredients. So I've got the milk and the eggs and the vanilla all mixed up in here. I did not put all the milk at the same time because I'm not sure if this liquid might be too much for the consistency of the rock bun. Now that I see it, I'm going to add the rest. So I've got it all mixed up now, and I think it's at the right consistency. This is the baking sheet I'm using. It's non-stick, but I still grease it just to make sure nothing sticks. So I'm going to drop them on now. Here we are. I've got it all nicely dropped on the sheet. This is the first batch. I will have another few more, not as many as this, for another sheet, but I'll start with this. I started with them too big, so I cut down on the size. This is just the right size for rock buns. Okay, I'm going to put them in a 350-degree oven now, and it shouldn't take more than 15 to 20 minutes, but we'll see. And we'll let you know exactly how long. But remember, everybody's oven is different, so it will just be an estimate. So, I think my rock buns are ready. So here we go. And they sure are. Aren't they beautiful, Angie? Mm-hmm. Wow. I'm going to transfer them to the cooling rack, and then I'm going to put the others to bake.
That's good.
Okay. Hi friends, here we have rock buns, and they're delicious. In total, with the mixture that we have, it should make 18. So there you go. Go to the website, Cook Like a Jamaican, and try out these lovely rock buns with a glass of milk or a cola champagne. Okay, bye for now.